Madison Airport Formation Echo 1553 Zulu, wind 180 at 4, visibility 8, ceiling 600 overcast, temperature 10, dew point 8, altimeter 29er, 903. ILS approaches in use, landing and departing is 18 and 21. Notice stairman, runway 14, closed. Taxi Mike 3 holding position, sign for runway 14, missing. Taxi Alpha 3, marked as Charlie. Advise contact information Echo.
Madison, clearance, Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha over at Wisconsin Aviation, looking to pick up our IFR clearance to Waukegan today.
Sierra Alpha Mass clearance, clear the Waukegan Airport via direct Krenna, Kilo, Romeo, Echo, November Alpha, direct, maintain 5000, departure frequency 120.1, squawk 4342.
Clear direct via Krenna, Kilo, Romeo, Echo, November Alpha, climb maintain 5000, departure frequency 120.1, squawk 4342.
That's our 2 Sierra for back correct.
Okay, that works. Madison ground, Twin Star number 822 Sierra Alpha is over at Wisconsin Aviation with information Echo, ready to taxi.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha Madison ground, runway 21, taxi via Mike Bravo.
21 via Mike Bravo, 2 Sierra Alpha.
416 Charlie Mike, clear the Moore Airport as file, maintain 4000, departure frequency 135.45,
Tower,
4307.
Charlie.
Charlie Mike, your back is correct, just holding the ramp. I got one more in front of you. And what approach you plan on doing it more? Charlie Mike, Roger, just verify information, Echo at Madison.
Madison ground, Gulfstream 1759 Charlie, Wisconsin Aviation with Echo, ready to taxi.
Gulfstream 1759
that guy right
Charlie,
there.
Madison ground, just holding the ramp, number 3 to the runway.
Big guy?
Big guy at Gulfstream.
Diamond Star 2 Sierra Alpha, you're going to be right at the end, just need to do a run up.
I'll need you to run up 2 Sierra Alpha.
Alright, 2 Sierra Alpha, once you get on Mike, turn left at Mike 3 and cross 14, and just do your run up there on Charlie, short of Bravo.
Mike 3, cross 14, do our run up short of Bravo on Charlie, 2 Sierra Alpha.
6 Charlie Mike, runway 21, taxi via Mike Bravo. Charlie Mike, Mike Bravo to 21. Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha, turn left direct Krenna, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Left direct Krenna, 21, clear for takeoff, 2 Sierra Alpha. Alright, here we go. Airspeed's live. $75. You're up.
As a tower, Primero 1481, actually holding shore Bravo 1, ready to take off 21, A1 actually.
Air 1481 X-ray Madison Tower, fly runway heading, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, A1 actually.
Right turn 300, descend and maintain 5000, active 1046.
And approach Twin Star 20 Alpha with you now, 2,700 for 5,000 direct chrono. Tower 20 Alpha.
20 Alpha, contact departure.
Alright, I'll do that. I was just going to ask that. Or departure 20 Alpha.
I'd say 2 miles northeast of Fort Atkins Airport, Madison, altimeter 29904.
29904, will advise on the prior, Skydive 1.
And departure 20 Alpha with you now, 3,400 for 5,000 direct chrono.
Marie 220 Alpha, mass departure radar contact, maintain 5,000.
Line to maintain 5,000, 20 Alpha.
For 7 Mike Alpha, same intention.
Approach 20 Alpha, the request.
Number 20 Alpha, the request.
Direct destination.
Number 20 Alpha, that's on request.
Me away from Milwaukee at the moment, I think.
For 20 Alpha, it's unable. We have to follow the LOA for Chicago satellites.
Alright, we'll stick this with you for a little bit.
For 20 Alpha, contact Rockford approach 121.0.
Over to Rockford 121.0, 20 Alpha. Rockford approach, Twin Star 20 Alpha with you now, 5,000, direct chrono.
Number 822 Alpha, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 29905.
29905, 20 Alpha.
Rockford, 76 Papa Bravo is with you off of Janesville, 1,700 climbing, heading direct Markham.
76 Papa Bravo, Rockford departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4,000, Rockford altimeter 29905.
29907, climb and maintain 4,000. 76 Papa Bravo.
76 Papa Bravo, altimeter 29905.
90905.
Oh, you want to take it again?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Pulled out.
I've freaked out some friends before when I've took them up on a flight and be like, okay, we gotta go through TSA first. And they're like, oh man, what? It's so annoying. Yeah. And then we just go through the gate. Like, that's it.
Pretty lonely TSA job if they actually did take you through security there.
Yeah.
Was that 2 minutes?
Oh, there's Janesville.
2 minutes prior to John Schluko.
Oh, kinda almost right off our wing here.
And November 686 Mike Alpha, Rockford approach the Rockford altimeter is 29905. Is this a full stop for you?
Yeah, you can see the airport there.
Oh,
so there's that brown patch just to the left of it.
Expect ILS for my 23 Mike Alpha, Roger.
Circles 5 miles.
Yes, correct. And we're doing 161 knots.
Okay.
So 1 knot is 1.15 miles per hour.
76.
So
Bravo.
we're roughly doing
And 15 miles from
180 miles, 185 miles an hour.
Clear GPS runway 12 into Monroe.
Cross Markham at 4,000, cleared to the GPS 12 at Monroe. 76 Papa Bravo.
At Rockford 20 Alpha, request direct destination.
November 2 Sierra Alpha, direct Krena direct for now, maintain 5,000.
Alright, we'll stay on course, 20 Alpha.
Number 122 Zulu Mike, contact Janesville Tower, 118.8.
118.8, thanks to
I thought I'd try
2
again.
Zulu Mike, radar service terminated, contact
So we're
Janesville
doing
Tower,
Rockford and
118.8.
then over.
We're going to this mark called Krena, and then straight over. I kind of want to just go direct. I could cancel and go direct, which I'll do it. Actually, let's do that. Rockford 2 Sierra Alpha. I think we'll just cancel with you at this time, and we'll descend down to 3500.
Alright, 2 Sierra Alpha, roger. Cancellation of IFR received. And did you want to continue VFR flight following or just cancel entirely?
We'll take flight following with you if you've got the time.
Alright, 2 Sierra Alpha, roger. And maintain VFR, appropriate VFR altitudes, resume on navigation.
Okay, maintain appropriate VFR, we'll descend down to 3500 here, 2 Sierra Alpha.
November 868 Mike Alpha, 10 miles from Whiteside, turn left heading 270, maintain 2,500 till established cleared ILS runway 25.
Alright, now we're going to book.
Number 76 Papa
Fine, direct
Bravo,
there.
and
Yeah.
on the miss,
We should
maintain
book.
3,000, proceed direct
Got the speed a little bit here.
Maintain 3000 on the miss. 76 Papa Bravo.
And direct to Crown Count 36 Papa Bravo.
That was for an hour 76 Papa Bravo.
Runway 76 Papa Bravo, 3000.
14 tower from Kilo, time 1555 Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 13, dew point 8, altimeter 29902. Expect ILS from my 23. Read back, hold short instructions.
November
Notice airman
686 Mike Alpha, report cancellation of IFR in air with me or on the ground flight services are terminated and frequency change is approved.
Oh, this is Lake Geneva ahead of us here. So Devlin
yeah.
Lake and then Lake Geneva. Somebody told me they were going to Lake Geneva once when I first moved here. I was like, oh cool, Switzerland.
Nope, just right across the border.
Yeah.
To Wisconsin.
Yeah, Wisconsin, Lake Geneva, Ryan. And it's definitely cleared up over here. Nice day.
Yeah, we couldn't see anything before.
One thing I haven't done, what I'd like to do is find out where like corn mazes are and then fly over them, because they do some cool like designs with some of those corn mazes, but you can only really see from the air. Not any below us.
How does the pumpkin drop thing work?
It's probably with a high wing aircraft,
Okay.
so they can like drop it out the window.
You pay and then they take you up in a special plane. I thought it was like your own. I was like, how does that actually work?
And they maybe even have the door off depending on what type of plane it is.
It's probably like the same kind of thing they do to take the skydivers up in, right?
Yeah.
Do you think there's more golf courses or more airports? I'm guessing airports, right?
Number 822 Sierra Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, actually 1 o'clock and a mile northbound 4,700 and 2 o'clock and 2 miles northbound 2,500. Contact Chicago approach on 120.55.
We're looking for the traffic. We've got one of the targets at 2 o'clock and over to Chicago 12055, 20 Alpha.
Number 110 Papa.
There's this other one ahead of us, like coming across us here.
I don't see the other one.
Yeah, there's that one. He's 1,000 below us. Chicago approach, Twin Star, November 822, Sierra Alpha with you now, 3,500.
Twin Star 822 Sierra Alpha, Chicago approach. Just confirm you are VFR and verify information Kilo.
VFR, and we have information Kilo, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Yep.
That was the guy behind us. Another guy below us here, but he's 1,000 below us. Let's see if we can find him. He's behind us now. Can't quite see the Chicago skyline yet.
What's the closest you can actually fly to Chicago skyline?
I've flown right over the end of Navy Pier.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you just have to, so the airspace around O'Hare, if you take like a wedding cake, the tiers of it, and you flip it upside down, you can't be in the wedding cake. You can go outside of it and around it, but you can't go through it without permission.
Okay.
So you can fly right along the coast and be under that wedding cake and...
oh, because yeah, all the planes lining up, coming in from arrivals over the lake or departing. Yeah.
Right, they're higher, yeah. They want to keep you, they have actually a recommended map here. If I go to documents. They give you like, you can go along the lake shore here. They kind of recommend this route. You don't have to follow it, but you know, it's recommended. So you have to be at or below 2,000 feet for Midway and at or below 2,500 feet for
Zero Charlie, Charlie, fly heading 160, descend and maintain 4,000.
Yeah, usually when I take people up along the lakefront, because I'm in Lansing usually here, I'll fly up over this power plant and along the lakefront up to the Baha'i Temple and turn around and come back.
Oh, nice. I like how the Baha'i Temple's a landmark on the map.
Yeah.
A lot more planes up now.
Yeah. Well, these guys are probably going to Pewaukee. These guys are probably goofing off around this little airport here. I think that's Cedar Lake. Cedar Lake. Or Galt. Oh yeah, it's Galt Airport there.
What's the highest that general aviation usually goes?
It depends on your plane type. My dad's plane is similar to the one I usually fly, and it's pressurized, so he'll go up to 24,000, 25,000.
Oh, wow.
This plane is not pressurized, so if you go above 12,000 for more than 30 minutes, then you need to have oxygen.
Okay.
As pilot, crew, passengers is after actually 15,000. Oh. I'm going to start a little descent here. 2 Sierra Alpha is going to start a descent down to 2,000 now.
Say again?
2 Sierra Alpha, we're going to start a descent down to 2,000.
Okay, that's approved. Do you have the airport in sight?
I do have the airport in sight, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Sierra Alpha, you can stay on that squawk. Radar service terminated, and just contact Waukegan Tower 120.05.
Hey, over to Tower 120.05. Thanks for your help, 2 Sierra Alpha. Waukegan Tower, Twin Star, November 822, Sierra Alpha with you now. We're descending from 3,500 to 2,000.
Star 8 to Sierra Alpha, Tower, Roger, report crosswind tollway for right downwind runway 23.
Forward crosswind tollway for right downwind runway 23, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Then start 2 Sierra Alpha, Fable, start reducing the airspeed.
We'll start to reduce it now, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Here's some right here. What's your on-course heading?
Will be 290.
Roger.
We're in the turn now.
To the west-northwest, inbound at 3,000, currently descending.
Okay, we'll be looking for the Twin Star. Mike here.
Twin Star 2 South, our traffic is Cirrus, just off the runway 23, headed 290, right your direction.
We're looking 2 Sierra Alpha.
Tower 8, I can see her 4 miles north.
Sierra, Roger. Fly a little bit to the southeast, and we'll set you up for straight in.
Southeast, we'll set up for straight in. 8 up here.
So Del Charlie, runway 23, clear for the option, unable stop and go, other options approved.
23 cleared to the option, unable stop and go, 7 Delta Charlie.
Gulfstream 847 on Charlie, King ground, stand by. Sure, somebody say that's Twin's about your 1 o'clock, 2,500, a mile and a half or so.
Alright, Mike Sierra, still looking. We got him on TCAS though.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, that's Sirius, about your 1 o'clock now, mile, opposite direction, 1,900 indicated.
Got him, 2 Sierra Alpha, we're at the tollway as well.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, roger, enter right midfield downwind for 23.
Right midfield downwind for 23, 2 Sierra Alpha. That's a Cirrus. I don't know if you've heard of those planes before, but they have a parachute in them for the plane.
For the whole plane?
Yeah. So if you lose your engine...
Secretary number 2, following traffic, about short final, it's a diamond.
Or number 2, 2 Sierra Alpha.
And Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, you're actually number 3. You'll be following Cessna on our right base.
Okay, number 3 for 2 Sierra Alpha, look for the Cessna.
So Secretary, you guys kind of stepped on each other. Do you have the diamond?
Negative. 803.
Secretary, roger. The diamond's just over the approach lights now. Runway 23, clear for the option on departure. Make left, close traffic. Correction, make right, close traffic.
Traffic in sight, 23, clear for the option. Right, close traffic on the go. 8 Echo Sierra.
So Secretary, if you're unable to stop and go, other options approved.
8 Echo Sierra, we're going to be full stop back to skill.
Oh, roger, I thought you said you wanted the options. So Secretary, runway 23, clear to land.
23, clear to land. 8 Echo Sierra.
Zero 5455 November, Waukegan and ground. In the south, runway 23, taxi Alpha, cross 32.
Seven Delta Charlie, going back to skill.
Delta Charlie, turn left Bravo, taxi 2 Alpha Charlie, cross 32.
Bravo, Alpha Charlie, cross 32, back to skill. Good day, 7 Delta Charlie.
Alright, opposite the numbers.
Twin Star 2 Sierra Alpha, that Cessna's just off to your right, a little bit in front of the approach lights.
We got him, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Star 2 South, number 2, runway 23, clear to land.
Number 2, 23, clear land, 2 Sierra Alpha. 3 greens, 1, 2, 3. The Cessna landing right there. Just in the trees tops, like right over the engine cowling, just about to the wing now.
Yeah.
Archer 31926, Waukegan ground. From Sierra 3, runway 23, taxi Alpha, cross 32.
And he's just about to touch down. Now. Clear left, clear right. Coming in.